Welcome to I Faced It, where we dive deep into the latest tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Without any lag, let's begin our video. The Redmi Note 14 series has finally launched in India. The series brings 3 phones to the Indian market: the Redmi Note 14, Note 14 Pro, and Note 14 Pro Plus. The series runs on HyperOS, which is based on Android 14. According to the company, the series promises to deliver excellent camera specs and AI features. Moreover, the high-end model, the Redmi Note Pro Plus, brings flagship-level features with over 20 AI features and a triple camera system. While the Note 14 Pro Plus is equipped with a Snapdragon 7S Gen 3, the Note 14 and Note 14 Pro are powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra and MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra chipset, respectively. Before we go deeper into the specs of the series, let's take a look at the pricing. India prices of its latest Redmi Note series. Part of the launch, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus will effectively cost 29,999 rupees for the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage model. This is inclusive of the ICICI and HDFC bank card offers. So the original retail cost of the device is 30,999 rupees. The Redmi Note 14 Pro with 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage will effectively cost 23,999 rupees. So the retail price of this Pro version is basically 24,999 rupees. The 256GB storage model will cost 25,999 rupees with bank offers. The standard Redmi Note 14 will effectively cost 17,999 rupees for the 6GB plus 128GB model. This is inclusive of the 1,000 rupee discount offer in HDFC bank cards. So its original launch price is 18,999 rupees. All the devices will go on sale on December 13th. Redmi Note 14 series, specs and features. Redmi Note 14 sports a 6.67-inch FHD display with 120Hz refresh rate. The display reaches a peak brightness of 2,100 nits and features an in-display fingerprint sensor. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra chipset. The Redmi Note 14 features a dual camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary sensor and a 2-megapixel secondary lens. For selfies, it houses a 16-megapixel front camera. The device packs a 5,110 mAh battery, offering support for 45-watt fast charging to ensure quick recharges and long-lasting performance. Redmi Note 14 Pro. This phone features a 6.67-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Victus 2 protection and a 120Hz refresh rate. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra chipset, it promises to offer strong performance in the mid-range category. In terms of cameras, the Redmi Note 14 Pro sports a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. For selfies, it comes with a 50-megapixel front camera. To power through the day, the device packs a 5,500 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging support. Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. The high-end model is the hero of the series, promising to deliver flagship-level features. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus sports a 6.67-inch 1.5K curved AMOLED display. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset, offering strong performance in the mid-range market. Coming to the optics, the Note 14 Pro Plus houses a triple rear system with a 50-megapixel primary sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens. For pro-level selfies and good video call quality, it houses a 20-megapixel front-facing camera. The device comes with a large 6,200 mAh battery, supporting 90-watt fast charging for quick recharging.
Overall, the new Redmi Note 14 series come with great flagship features. Recommended to buy this phone. Also, there will be giveaway of Redmi Note 14 Pro phone to one of you guys. So hit the subscribe button and open the first link in the description. Then you will redirect to the giveaway page. Follow all the details about the giveaway in that page. If you not subscribe to our channel, then your data given in giveaway page will be removed. Winners will be decided on 20th December 2024 at 2 p.m. Don't forget to subscribe to the IP68 channel for the latest updates, tips, and tech insights. Hit the bell icon to stay notified. Subscribe for more tech news and stay ahead with the latest trends. Thanks for watching.